Another object that's important to bear in mind is the cell object. For example, if I am in this position, E5, I'm going to color this to remember where I am. It's E5. I want to get this. I have to say, I have to consider in the editor there. Application dot active workbook dot active sheet. I can select from here. And then I dot cells. And we said before that we want to see E5, and we have an error here. I will show you later what is this error. I can type this as cell 5, 5 dot value or formula R1C1, like I showed you before, is equal to hello. So we have the Excel application. As child, we have the active workbook, this file, then the active sheet, the sheet where we are now in the workbook. Then we have the cell in position 5, row 5, and column 5. And I want to set the value inside equal to hello. If I execute now, last sheet, I keep last sheet, and then we have hello now written here. Okay, if I'm going back to an example and I say it's the same instruction written has range E5. So instead of cells, I'm going to use the object range, which is almost the same as cells, only that cells is only one cell and range can be more than one cell. I'll show you that later. To my example, I cancel this. I'm going to the editor, command this now, execute, and voila, I have the same effect. I have hello written here because I'm using the range object in this part. I can also use only this part because this is a redundant information, but for clarity's sake I can use it. But if I use that in this way, going back to my example, cancel this, go to my editor and use only this one, forgetting application.active sheet, forget this, and then I execute, go into my sheet, and I see the same results. So you now understood how is a hierarchy of objects we did in Excel And if you understand this structure, then you will be able to do all the rest in this course. In the next videos, we'll go through the understanding of the code. We will talk about subroutines, functions. We will talk about variables, constants. And again, we will go to talk about properties and methods of objects. And we will start to modify our file and codes to create our own macros based on examples.